Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of V-Twin Visionary, and last week and the prior week, we showed you variations of road glide covers and relocation kits if you're running T-bars from John Shope at Dirty Bird Concepts. This one's for you Batwing guys. We are actually putting this on one of our projects, that's why it's scuffed. But when you run a pullback plate, usually if you're using the stock one, you have to cut it. And it looks real janky. So Shope and the boys over there ended up designing this just for Batwing fairings. You know, you guys are street glides and ultras and electras and all that stuff. We test fit it. It fits just like OEM. It has definitely the cutouts for, of course, the T-bars to poke through, but also all the switches, which is really cool. It's ready to go. I mean, all you gotta do is scuff it, paint it to match. You know, gloss black and whatever you want to do, man. Get custom with it.